Well, hey there, and welcome to Jim's Kitsch Kitchen. It is time to make another vintage dish. This dish uses Spam. I happen to be a fan. And I was looking and I saw this old-fashioned advertisement for Spam, advertising a recipe for Spam bean bake. Check out this advertisement. Doesn't that look fun? Well, I've got my can of Spam and I'm ready to make it. I'll show you how to do it in my kitchen. It's so easy. I've learned all about Spam in a past video, so we are not going to learn anything about it today. But we will learn a little bit about this first ingredient. Bush's baked beans. Did you know the Bush Company started in 1908 by A.J. Bush in the foothills of the Great Smoky Mountains? Okay, I'm just going to take this and pour it in a little pie pan. Add a little brown sugar. That was 2 tablespoons and a teaspoon of dry mustard. Love my Coleman's. This Coleman's is much older than those Bush's beans. From 1814. And you know where they come from? They come from Norwich in the UK. I've actually been to the Coleman's Mustard Company before. And you can add molasses. I'm going to add a little golden syrup instead. Just squeeze a little bit on top, and I'm going to mix this together. Next comes those beautiful slices of Spam that I'm going to put right on top. Now I'm going to go a little off the recipe. I had some leftover Velveeta, so I thought Spam, Velveeta, great combo. I'm going to put that right on top. And that is it. I just baked this in a 350-degree oven for about 25 to 35 minutes. I'm ready to find out what it's like. Dinner is served. Don't you just want to jump on in there? I kind of just want to put my face right in right now. But I'm not going to. I'm going to scoop myself out some and try it for you fine folks. Okay, time for that taste. Spam bean bake. Look at that Velveeta ready to drip off. Oh, missed it. But let's try it. I love it. The sweetness of the beans, the meatiness of the meat. Actually, the beans, that mustard in the beans really makes the beans pop. It's a great vintage dish. Sure, it's quirky, but it tastes wonderful. You know, I'd like to open a bar that only serves specialty beer and baked beans. I think I'd call it Farts and Crafts.